Let us see this question which says captain of the team has 5 skills. And how many players of the team have exactly 3 skills common with the captain? Now if we assume that the 5 skills the captain has are A, B, C, D and E. And let us assume that the total number of skills, that is n is equal to 5. That means whatever other players in the team must have 3 out of these 5 skills which captain has with them. That means I got to select 3 skills out of these 5 skills which will be there with each of the individual team members of the team to be selected. That means total number of ways 3 skill sets out of 5 can be selected is in 5C3 ways. 5C3 is equal to 10. That means putting n is equal to 5, one of the choices must give the total number of players in the team which is having exactly 3 skills, 10. Look at the choices. Only option number 3 gives us the number of players which have exactly 3 skills common with the captain is option number 3, which becomes our correct choice.